discussed division, right? That is chapter 4. That means that first we did using the 3-digit number, right? Yes. Today we are going to discuss about division of 4-digit numbers. Okay. Today I am going to explain that using 4-digit numbers how we can find the quotient and remainder, right? So actually you know now what is dividend, what is divisor, what is quotient and what is remainder, isn't it? Here you can see here this is the dividend, divisor, the result is the quotient. Any leftover value is there means that is remainder, isn't it? Yes. Now I am going to give an example here using the 4-digit numbers. Only few questions. Okay, I am going to give an example. Okay, see here. The first one is 3128. This is 4-digit number. This is the divided. Here divisor is 2. Okay. So here we are going to use the table, second table, right? Yes. See, first we can write 3128. So you can write the table also, no problem. 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, then 9 2s are 18, 10 2 is 20. Okay. See? So 2 is here. Now we can write. First we can check that first. That means ones, tens, hundred, thousands place, right? In thousands place you compare the divisor and the thousand place values. Compare these two values. If it is greater value means you can divide using the divisor. Okay. So here this is the greatest value, isn't it? Yes. Now that second table, how many times it will go? So it is only one time. If you are taking 2 times means that is 4 will come, right? So 4 is not possible. So how many times? Only one time. So 1 time 2 is 2. Yes. Then what is the next step? Next step is you have to subtract these two values, right? Yes. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, what is the value? 1. Yes. Next stage, what is the next step? You have to write the next number here, 11. Yes, now 11. 11 means second table how many times? 5 times 2s are 10, 6 times 2s are 12, isn't it? So 12 is not possible because here it is 11. So we can take here 5 times 2s are 10 only, right? Yes. So 5 times 2s are 10. Next, we are going to subtract. So first we have to subtract in ones place. Okay, should not subtract this side. Okay. So first we are going to subtract here. 1 minus 0 is 1 only. Then 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Right? Yes. Next step, we are going to write the next number. That is 2. Understand? 2. So that means it will come 12. 12 how many times second table? 6 times. See here. 6 times 2s are 12, right? So you can write the value here 6. 6 times 2s are 12. Now subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Yes. Then next step is you are going to write the last number. One's place value is 8. The 8 you are going to write it here. Do you understand now? Yes, 8. Now use the second table. How many times 8 will come? 4 times, isn't it? 4 times 2s are 8. So that value 4 is 4 times 2s are 8. So subtract these two values. 8 minus 8 is 0. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 1564. 1564. This is the quotient value. Remainder is 0. Remainder 0. Do you understand now? Yes, the quotient is 1564. The remainder is 0. Right? Yes. Next example. See the next question. 1275 divided by 3. So first you write the third table. Now you know the third table. 1 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 times 3s are 24, then 9 times 3s are 27, 10 times 3s are 30. Okay, fine. Now you can write it here 1275. The divisor is here 3. 3 is the divisor, right? Yes. You can write here. So first we compare this number, here 1, here 3. So is possible to divide this 3 here? No, it is not possible. Yes, because this is the lowest value, isn't it? So what you are going to do? You have to take next number also. It means 12 now. Okay, now it is 12. 12 means third table. How many times it will come? Third table. 4 times 3 is 12, isn't it? So how many times? 4 times. So that 4 you are going to write it in the quotient. Then 4 times 3 is 12. Yes? Yes. Next. What is the next step? Next step, we want to subtract that values. Right? Subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Right? Yes. Next number 7. 7. So now 7. 7 how many times third table? 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 9 is not possible. That is the greatest value, isn't it? So 7 is there means you can use second 2 times, right? 2 times 3. So 2 times 3s are 6. 2 times 3s are how much? 6. Okay. So now next step, let us subtract the value, isn't it? So 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 how much? 1, isn't it? 1. Okay. Next we are going to write next number. Last number is 5. Now it is your 15, isn't it? 15 means third table how many times? 5 times 3s are 15, isn't it? 5 times 3s are. So 5 you have to write in the quotient. 5 times 3s are 15. Subtract it here. 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus 1 also 0. So you can write the answer now here. Quotient is 425. Then remainder is 0. Right? Quotient is 425. Remainder 0. Do you understand, children? Yes. Next example. See next example. Divided value is 1524 and the divisor is 6. Okay. Yes. So here we are going to use which table? 6th table. Right? Yes. 6th table. Write it here. 166. 2 6 are 12. 3 times 6 are 18. 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 7 times 6 are 42, 8 times 6 are 48, 9 times 6 are 54, 10 6 are 60. Okay. Now we are going to divide the value 1524 divided by 6. Okay, now you check that first value is smallest value, isn't it? So what we have to do? We have to take next number also, isn't it? First we have to compare these two numbers. 6 is the greatest value, but here one is the smallest value, right? So we cannot divide, right? So what you are going to do? You have to take next number also. That means 15 will come, right? So now 15, 6th table, you can say how many times it will come below 15? 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 times if you are taking means that is 18. 18 but here 15, isn't it? So 18 is not possible. So you have to take it 2 times. 2 times 6 are 2 times 6 are 12. Right? So the quotient is 2. 2 times 6 are 12. Yes. Then what is the next step? Next step you have to subtract. Subtract 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. Isn't it? Yes. Next step, you have to write the next number. That is 2. Now 32. 32, sixth table. You can say how many times do we count? 3 times 6 are 18. Then 4 times 6 are 24. 5 times 6 are 30. 6 times 6 are 36. But here 32. So 36 we cannot take. So we can take 30. Right? How many times? 5 times. So 5 times 6 are 30. Yes. Then next step, you have to subtract. Subtract these two values. 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. Right? Yes. So one more number is there. You have to write next step. You have to write the next number. That is 4. Understand? Yes. Now 24. 24 how many times? Sixth table. 24 4 times. 4 times 6 are 24. Isn't it? So the quotient value is 4. 4 times 6 are 24. Yes. Subtract 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So now we are going to write the answer here. Quotient is 254. Then remainder. What is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Right? Remainder is 0. Quotient is 254. Do you understand? Yes. The next example, last example. The divided value is 4910 and divided by the divisor is 5. Right? First we have to write the table. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. 10 5s are 50. Okay. Set the number 4910 divided by 5. So now you are going to use fifth table, right? Yes. First number we cannot take. That is the lowest value. Isn't it? If we compare the divisor and divided means that is the smallest value divided. Isn't it? So we have to take next number also. That means 49. Okay. 49. So fifth table. How many times you can say? 7 times 35, 8 times 40, 9 times 5 are 45, 10 times 5 are 50. 10 times it's not possible. Then how many times? The closer value here 9 times, right? 9 times 5 are 45. So 9 times 5 are 45. Okay. Now subtract. 9 minus 5, 4. Isn't it? 4 minus 4, 0. Right? Yes, next step, you have to write the next number. That means you will come 1. Okay, now 41. 41 means how many times put the table? 8 times. 8 times 5 are 40. 8 times 5 are 40. So, quotient 8. 8 times 5 are 40. Now, subtract 1 minus 0, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, next, we are going to write this 0 next. Here 10. Now 10. 10 how many times? 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 2 times 5s are 2 times 5s are 10. So 0. You write the answer now. Quotient is 982. Remainder is 0. Quotient is 982. Remainder is 0. Do you understand, children? I hope you understand this division part. So now what we are going to do? Number 72, do it now. 2 questions are there. Find the quotient A and B. Okay. Only 2 questions are there. Then exercise also 4.1. 4.1. Question number 2. Question number 2. Find the quotient. There also 4 questions are there. Page number 74. Please try to complete that homework also. Do you understand, children? If you have any doubt, please contact me. Thank you.